Your device has a pretty nifty developer option for showing GPU overdraw. Once you toggle that to active, you'll notice that your layouts are all drawn with a tint. A pixel drawn once is shown in its normal color, but when that pixel is drawn over itself, it's tinted. You've got blue for 1 overdraw, green for 2, pink for 3, and red for 4 or more. Clearly, the goal here is to minimize the amount of red and keep everything fairly blue. To see how this works, we'll look at Sunshine both before and after Dan updated it with a look inspired by Material Design. You'll notice that most things are pretty consistent, except that after Material, everything is a shade or two darker on the tint scale. This is because Material Design focuses on beautiful components and transitions, and so it comes with a heavier drawing cost. Some events have a heavier cost as well. Clicking, for example, tends to result in a shading effect as an indicator of the action to the user. You can see this with the red overdraw on a touch event. With Material Design, though, we increase the number of these types of smaller overdraws with the addition of animations, such as the scroll animation or the hover action in the menu. These animation elements add a bit of magic to the app and help create a beautiful user experience. But as you've seen, there's clearly a rendering cost. Perf considerations are a trade-off. You want to do fancy things, but you might be doing too much. So use your tools to set up a regular testing process, and then evaluate why your change is for the better versus how it could be improved.